In this lesson, we are going to learn about place value. We start by defining what is place value. It shows the position of a digit in a given set of numbers. So, that's the definition of a place value. But for us to understand this definition, let us look at an example. In example 1, we are told, find the place value of each digit in the number below. The number we are given is 5479. So this number has 4 digits, which are 9, 7, 4, and 5. So we are supposed to find the place value of each one of these digits. Step number 1. What you need to know is that you always start from the right going to the left. So you allocate the place value of the digit on the right going to the left. So step number 1 and B, you always start on the right side. You start on this side going to the left. So let us write this number down. We have 5, 4, 7, 9. So starting on this side, the place value of digit 9 will be ones. Then the place value of 7 will be tens. The place value of digit 4 will be hundreds. And the place value of digit 5 will be thousands. So that is how you go about the place value. So what I want you to understand from this example is this point, that you always start on the right side going to the left. So we look at another example so that you can understand better. Example 2, we are told, find the place value of each digit in the number below. This is the number that we are given. We are supposed to find the place value of each of these digits. So the first step, as we have seen in the first example, is you start on the right side going to the left side. So let us write this number down. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 1, 2, 9, 0. So you start on this side. The place value of 0 will be ones. Then the place value of 9 will be tens. The place value of 2 will be hundreds. The place value of 1 will be thousands. The place value of 5 will be tens of thousands. Tens of thousands. The place value of 6 will be hundreds of thousands. The place value of 7 will be millions. And lastly, the place value of 8 will be tens of millions. So this number had more digits, but as we have said, you always start on the left side going to the right side. You always start on the right side going to the left side. Then the second point which I want you to understand is you have to get this arrangement. You have to understand this arrangement, that you start with ones, then you go to tens, hundreds. After that, you enter into thousands. Then you have thousands, tens of thousands, and hundreds of thousands. After that, you go into millions. You have millions and tens of millions. If we had another digit, let's say digit 4 on this side, the place value of this digit would have been hundreds of millions. Hundreds of millions. So, the point which I want you to understand is you have to get this arrangement on how they follow each other. You have ones, tens, hundreds. After that, you go into thousands. You have thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. After that, you go into millions. You have millions, tens of millions, and hundreds of millions. So, that is what you have to know about the place value. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. You'll meet in the next lesson.